Hey students, looking for ways to boost your study sessions? Today we are going to show you how to use ChatGPT to study smarter and more effectively. Hi, I'm Harshita Jain and today I'm going to share some awesome prompts you can use with ChatGPT to make the most out of your study times. Let's dive in. So first we are going to create a mind map for any topic that we are going to study. Suppose structure of atoms. So we are going to create a mind map for the topic structure of atom for grade 9. In whichever grade you are, you can write it, or if it is very difficult for you to understand it, you can write it, explain it to me as you explain to a 6-year-old or a second grade student. Okay, so ChatGPT is going to create a mind map for you for the topic that you have asked for. Okay, so this is how we can create mind map of various topics that we are going to study, and by reading the points that are bullet points that are given by ChatGPT, you can easily go through the whole chapter and can remember the chapter topic wise. Okay, so you can see one is visual representation and other is the text representation. You can go through both of them and can remember better. Now the second point is we can write. Now the second prompt is we can create a better study timetable for us by telling ChatGPT what time we have fixed for some kind of activities that we are involved in. Like I go to badminton class daily and my exams are starting from 1st August 2024. Okay, and I want my time for sleep, for food and rest also. So I want ChatGPT to create a study timetable for me so that I can cover each subject each day and my course is complete by the time my examination start. Okay, so I'm going to write this prompt and going to send this to ChatGPT. And here is my study timetable. I'm talking to you and ChatGPT is generating this timetable. Isn't it amazing? It helps you study better, and I think less stress is there when you have a fixed timetable of studying. Okay, so you can see that ChatGPT has given time for exercise, it has given break for rest, it is covering all the subjects. See, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, and we have lunch break, then also a 3:30 to 4 p.m. break, then relax 5:30 to 6 because we are back from badminton class. Revision time also is there. Okay, and 11 p.m. sleep, which is very good. We are getting 6 hours of sleep also. So this is the wonderful timetable created by ChatGPT, which you actually can rely on for your studies. So this is how we can create a study timetable using ChatGPT, and which actually works. And there are some study tips also. Difficult subjects should be covered first. Take regular breaks. Use active learning techniques like summarize, ask question, test yourself regularly. All the three can be done using ChatGPT, that I'm going to tell you in the next videos. Stay consistent. You should stick to your routine for examination at least. Feel free to adjust the timetable based on your specific subject and personal preferences. Okay, so this is the second prompt, how to study better with ChatGPT. So the third prompt is, suppose you are studying a subject like mathematics or any subject like physics or numerical problems, that any subject that has like chemistry, physics or mathematics, you can ask ChatGPT to act as a maths teacher or a physics teacher or a chemistry teacher and explain certain topic to you. For example, I'm asking, please act as a math teacher and explain probability to me. Okay. So the probability basic concepts are here in front of me in just one click. Once I go through it, I'm sure I'm thorough with the basics of probability. The higher the level, you can ask the questions to ChatGPT, it will answer, and I'm telling you, it will explain you in rather simple language that is very easy to understand, and you can excel any subject using ChatGPT. So here is the summarization of probability, which is the basics of probability. If you are studying for grade 10, 11, 12, then you can specifically ask for your grade. Suppose your exam is tomorrow and you are studying a subject in which few chapters are left, and you don't have time to study them because the time is short, and you just want to create notes or summarize the chapter so that you can read the key points, and you are able to answer the questions. Like in social science, when the course is very vast, if some chapter is left, then what you can do is you can ask ChatGPT to create a summary of that particular topic or that particular chapter. So you can write summarize the structure of Indian government. So it will summarize the structure of government in topic wise, so that you can understand what actually is in government. It is kind of notes. Okay, so you don't have to read line by line the whole chapter, that is boring. This is the point wise description of the chapter in front of you, which is very easy to go through and mug up also. So this is how you can use ChatGPT. If the course is vast and you want to quickly go through the chapter which is left for studying any exam. This is one more example of social reforms in India after independence. So these are the 10 social reforms that ChatGPT has summarized for us. So this is how you use ChatGPT to make your study pattern better.